Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video, man, I have a great story to tell you all. Alright, I just want y'all to see this box. I have a great story to tell you all. I want to tell you all how I almost got scammed on Grailed. Almost. So close, but I didn't, and it's all good. I'm getting my money back. I've almost been scammed twice recently, and I'm getting my money back in both situations. I both opened PayPal claims for both, and I've already provided information. So I'm getting my money back on both situations, so we're straight. Same with this one to get my money back. So I'm not really concerned. I just now have a good story to tell about this situation where I found some dumb scammers that were very easy to get my money back from after they tried to lie to me about what they had and other things like that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like on this video. If you want more content like this, don't forget we're gonna try and hit, let's say we're trying to hit 103 likes. So drop a like, and just share this with people. If you want more people to see this, you want more content like this, then definitely do that. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. So one more thing, follow both my Instagrams. If you want to follow those, go ahead. Tristan, Wick, reselling, I'd appreciate that. And yeah, let's get into telling you guys how I almost got scammed and how I'm getting my money back. Alright, so here's pretty much what happened. So this dude had a listing up for here. I'll put the picture of the listing up. He had a pair of shoes up right here. As you guys can see, it was some Gucci ones that he said he had. In reality, he didn't actually have them, and I'll get into that. But basically, he said he had a pair of these, and I offered lower on them, and I got them, and I was planning to trade them to my friend, because I believe he actually had them in the original box with all that stuff like he said. He had said that in earlier messages, but I'm not going to be showing those earlier messages. I'm going to just kind of show you guys the part where I actually kind of catch him, which is funny. That we were just negotiating on first about price. I got a good price for him, and I was going to sell them just basically to see I can got them for $245, which is a very good deal. They looked authentic, so I was pretty happy about that. But basically, here's how it all gets started. So they come in hand. I'm very happy. I'm about to trade him for like a pair of shadow ones, the low ones, and about to make some deals, get my money, and be like, it was about to be a good day. It's about to be a good day. Basically, I get the package in hand like this. I open it, and I get a pair. I was immediately sus when I saw this. They actually sent me something, which is crazy. They sent me some rip and dip, and then look, trying to send me a pair of old school Vans that are super beat, and trying to send me this. And they had been telling me earlier in the text, yo, can you please release the money on PayPal? Can you please release the money on PayPal? And I never do that. If you're a Grailed seller, I will never release the money for you until I see the item in hand, and I think it's all good. If it's not good to me, then I'm not going to release your money, and I'm just going to keep your stuff. So shout out them for, I guess, this free pair of Vans, because I'm getting my money back anyways. And basically how I'm doing that is I basically just opened a PayPal claim, sent them pictures of what I received, what their listing was. I sent a link for the listing. Like, I'll be straight. I know I'm gonna win that case. And there was an old one too where someone said they had a Gucci jacket. I bought it, and that was a ton of money. And they didn't actually have it. So that one too. So in April, beginning in April, we're gonna be having a nice unboxing because we're getting back a ton of money from old people trying to scam, but we're winning those, so we'll be straight. Basically looking at this, here's the first text. As you can see, I was like, you sent me some random shoes, F you. Obviously I was mad, I was pissed off because I wasn't expecting to get old school checkerboard Vans instead of some Gucci Aces in the original box and all that, right? And look at that, I'm just saying, it was like, hold my I almost scammed your now. And then he added the little star emoji, which that just made me sus. Alright, I was sus when I saw that. And anybody who tells you to is just, that's it. I don't know. I just thought it was dumb. And then he said, go get your dough before it release, and I splurge. But little does he know, it takes 3 weeks for money to actually release. So I got this item way before this would release it. And if he did spend the money, and I figured out, if I get this in hand and it does release the money, then you're just gonna then have to owe some money to PayPal because they're gonna give me money back, and you're just gonna have to put some in. So I don't know. He's dumb. I was like, I'm gonna get my money back. F up, this man was dumb. That's all I thought of it. And here's what he was saying earlier, right here, see, at the post office now, bro. And obviously I'm gonna mark out the tracking number so you can't see that, you're not gonna see that. And he's like, if you could confirm it that the tracking was added, I'd appreciate it. And obviously I'm not gonna do that until I receive the item in hand, so I didn't receive that. Not trying to make you feel sketch, I just need extra money right now. My birthday's tomorrow. And then he put the little star emoji again. Dude, this man is just completely sus, and he's just a terrible seller. Don't work with this person. I gave him a 1 star, so people will watch out. Just don't work with this guy. And he's not trying to make you feel sketch. Not trying to make you feel sketch. You look what you sent me, bro. You're not trying to make people feel sketch. You're a scammer straight up, and you're not even a good one. So like, I don't know what to say. Like, not trying to make you feel sketch. You literally are the definition of sketch, bro. Like, I caught you in the act. And like, I'm looking at like the other texts here. We were like, all right, thanks. You know, like we were doing good. You know, we're like cool business partners, all that. You know, we were chilling. And like, here's another text right here. Bam. So like, yes, I originally did lowball pretty hard, as you guys can tell. 215, you know, it's kind of low, and I get that. But then he said 245. He's like, shoes are basically brand new. I lowered it to 300 because I just need money for my birthday tomorrow. Whatever he said. Shoes are basically brand new. Shoes are basically brand new. Hey, my sister's gonna like these though. Maybe these will fit her if they do. Yeah, no, this wouldn't fit me. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. But yeah, basically brand new. No, not at all, bro. Like, I don't know, you're just, look, you gotta do a better job if you're gonna be a scammer. Couldn't convince me, couldn't fool me, so I'm straight, I'm coolin'. Their PayPal's gonna get shut down, they're not gonna be able to make a Grailed anymore, so we're just getting scammers off the street like that, or bad ones, you know. So I'm trying to keep my money, I'm not trying to lose it. I work for my money, you don't, clearly. So I'm getting my money back early April, so that's dope. Need to get through the cases and all that, so pretty simple situation, and that's how I almost got scammed out of money on Grailed, so pretty crazy stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and drop a like. I hope I'm not making more content like this where I'm getting scammed. Obviously just more like stories, because I have plenty of stories with like throughout reselling and funny things and interactions and things like that. So, you know, I can definitely tell a lot of things like that. If you guys want to see more content like that, then for sure, subscribe and like for that. And then also, if you guys want to, you can follow me on my Instagrams. I'll link those in the description. You can check out my reselling page or my personal. I'd appreciate that. Follow on either or both would be dope. That's pretty much all I gotta say. Let me know if you guys have had situations where you've been scammed on Grailed. If you've been scammed on Grailed, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your situation. But that's pretty much it. So I think I'm straight. I'm gonna get my money back. I hope. I need PayPal to come through, but PayPal should come through because I provided pretty good evidence of this guy. Yeah, you know, I got it. So I think we're good. And he told me like the money was locked up. So like, you know, like I'm straight. I got the money. So I'll get it back. I just gotta wait now. But pretty much all I gotta say. I'm Tristan. Thank you all. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.